in the Crescent City, we have some non-traditional seasons. There is snowball season, there is festival season, football season, of course, and carnival season. Well, in early December, we are very close to entering another local season. That is crawfish season in a few weeks. And so I thought we could visit Haiku Sushi on Magazine Street for the flavors of Louisiana and Japan together. It's a nice big menu here at Haiku. They've got salads and sushi and sashimi and lots of rolls to choose from. I've picked a pair of rolls for lunch today, including the crawfish-filled swamp roll. Always nice to see a local sushi place with the fleur-de-lis as a major design feature on the wall. You know you're in New Orleans. Well, before the rolls arrive, beer. To up my Japanese quotient today, a pint glass of Sapporo. That is light and sweet and crisp. That is perfect for lunch today. Sapporo is, in fact, the oldest beer brand in the country of Japan. They were founded back in 1876. I've dialed up the lower sodium soy sauce for dipping. Up first here is the chicken tempura roll. First impression is, well, positive. The taste, it is salty and fatty and meaty and delightful. There is a Japanese fried chicken technique called karaage, but the chicken here has more of the texture you would find in Chinese food. Burnished on the outside, still tender and chewy on the inside. I'm a fan. And I get to practice my chopstick technique on the last bits of rice and sauce there on the plate. Not bad, getting better with the old chopsticks. Well, before I dive into the swamp roll, a palate cleanser of pickled ginger. Delish. Okay, on to roll number 2, the swamp roll, featuring lots of local crawfish tail meat and a spicy seaweed salad. If you've never had crawfish before, especially in sushi, well, you're missing out. It is a flavor somewhere between crab and shrimp. It's sweet, it's got a firm texture, it is perfect in a roll like this. I tried some pieces of the swamp roll in the soy sauce, but you know, you don't really need it. Lots of solid flavors in this roll all by itself. That was a delicious local sushi lunch here at Haiku Sushi on Magazine Street. Thanks so much for coming along on this New Orleans food outing. If you are new to my channel, welcome.